Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantpower. Today, I will show you how to automate investing in stocks using Quantpower's signal trading. First, let's log into Quantpower. Go to Signal Trading, select Quantpower. Now, open any stock. For this demonstration, we'll use Adani Enterprises. Set the time frame to 30 minutes. We'll use the RSI indicator to create a buying signal. Here's the plan. Whenever the stock will cross 30 RSI, I will buy 100 quantities of stocks, and if it goes below 20 RSI, I will exit as stop loss, or if it goes above, I will let it continue. Next, create two baskets, one for buying and one for selling. Buy in CNC and sell in CNC. Remember, to sell your holdings, you need to enable and give permission through the DDPI of your broker. Now, let's create an alert. Set the time frame to 30 minutes. Choose the RSI indicator. Set it to crossing up and enter 30. Set the alert to trigger once per bar. Now select expiration day of the alert. From the settings, select the Adani Enterprises by basket and give it a name. This alert will ensure that whenever the RSI crosses above 30 from below, our stock will be bought. Next, create an alert for exiting the position. Set the time frame to 30 minutes. Choose the RSI indicator. Set it to crossing below and enter 20. Set the alert to trigger once per bar. From the settings, select the Adani Enterprises sell basket and give it a name. And that's it. You've created a simple yet effective investing algorithm using Quantpower. Feel free to experiment with different indicators based on your preferences. Thanks for watching.